Hello everybody, welcome to Kurdish Lessons. This is Gule from Kurdish Lessons, and today we will be studying Kurdish again together. So let me share my screen first. Share screen. So you see here our topic is adjectives. Probably you may seen that I uploaded a video about adjectives 2 years ago, but I just want to upload a new one. I think I did better this time, and I added new topics to adjectives. I mean, as a grammar stuffs. So if you are ready, let's start. In Kurmanji, we call adjectives rank there. So you see there are three adjectives. Kevin, which is old, but not for person, not for people, okay? We never say je n'ai que Kevin. It sounds very rude. Or mere ki Kevin. No. Male ke Kevin, telefone ke Kevin, bajare ki Kevin. And khosh is like nice, and balikesh is interesting. So the first rule is, unlike in English, 1 second, I will close the door. So the first rule is, in Kurmanji, when you want to use an adjective with a noun, of course you need a noun. I mean, you need something to modify. So noun comes before the adjective, unlike English, okay? So in English, you say the big city first, adjective, and then noun. But in Kurmanji, it's vice versa. So noun first, and then adjective comes. So we say malekemezin. You see, a big house. Literally, the house which is big. Okay, malekemezin. For example, ev malekemezine. This is a big house. Okay, ev malekemezine. Mal is our noun, and then mazin is our adjective. The second example is Louis Gundi. In that village, Louis Gundi, dereke pichuk habu. Okay, dereke pichuk habu. There was a little small church. Okay, Louis Gundi, dereke pichuk habu. And just for you to keep in mind, when you say this, that, or these doors, they don't work like a real adjective, okay? So that's why we say we gundi, not gundi we, okay? We say we gundi. So in English, you say this house, big house, but not in Kurmanji. In Kurmanji, real adjectives, real modifiers are used after noun, okay? And the third example is kefate, jkhwarinen tujrate. Do you like spicy food? Khwaran, our food, meal, or to eat as a verb, and tush is literally sharp. In this meaning, in this sentence, it means spicy, okay? Khwaran and tush. So, as Zamane Kurdi Hindikam, I teach Kurdish language as Zamane Kurdi Hindikam. So, Kurdi here works like adjectives, okay? Kurdish. And the next one, the vazoyede, in the vase, the vazoyede, gulen sor u khoshik hana. There are red and pretty flowers, beautiful roses, actually, gul, okay, rose. So, gulen sor u khoshik. Next one, min kraseki nukri. I bought a new dress. Kraseki nu. Kras is our noun, and nu is our adjective, okay? أو جلن بها دخوازه. He or she wants expensive clothes. أو جلن بها دخوازه. Okay? أو جلن بها دخوازه. The last one. از دخوازم سر خو بشم. I want to take a shower. از دخوازم سر خو بشم. لی but آوا گرم تو نیه. There is no hot water. Okay? آوا گرم. So here let's highlight our adjectives. First one is مزن, okay, and the second one is بتشوك, little, small, young. Touj is sharp and spicy. Kurdi here like Kurdish, okay, as adjective. Khoshuk, beautiful, pretty. And sour is red. Let's make it red. And new, okay, new. And Baha, expensive. Baha is expensive. Let's make it green. Yes. And Ava, germ. Germ is hot. Okay. And probably you know, not only adjectives come after nouns, also possessive in Kurmanji. Okay. So, so you say, for example, Jillian, min, my clothes. Khwarinente, your food. Malate, your house. Gulen, we, his flowers. Krase, we, her dress. Okay. Keep in mind, first noun and then adjective. For our students at the beginning, it is really hard just to change the places, but then it becomes easier, like everything, right? So it takes time, but it becomes easier. Now, next part. So, yes, we said there is noun and then adjective when you modify your noun, like the big house, Mala Mazen, the small city, Bajari Pichu. But let's say you want to say, I am good, like a verb, okay? I am good, or you are small, or she's tall, okay? So when you say she is tall is not modified for her, but like a statement for her. So in this case, in English, you say she is tall, first emizar and then adjective, but in Kurmanji, it is again vice versa. You say as bash, bash, adjective, and then your verb to be. So malamun mezine, right? Malamun mezine. Like my house is big. Malamun mezine. Merdin dirokiye, like Merdin is historic, okay? Dirokiye. If you want to say the historic Merdin, you would say Merdina diroki, okay? In Kurmanji, we need a link between the nouns and adjectives when you want to say they are together, okay? And the next example is there Pichukbu. The church was small. There Pichukbu. So Khwaran Natushbu. The food wasn't spicy. Kurdi Zahmata. Kurdish is hard. Kurdi Zahmata. Kurdish is hard. Gul Sor Chicken. The flowers, the roses are red and nice. Okay. And Avgarma, the water is hot. You see, Avgarma, the water is hot, and in the previous it say Avagar. Okay, be careful. Avagar, the hot water. Avgarma, the water is hot. Okay. And now another rule to use adjective. So keep in mind, in Kurmanji, the ending of an adjective is always the same, never change. Okay, unlike Russian. In Russian, when you want to say like the big room, you will say Balshaya komnata. So you see, Balshaya komnata, the endings are the same, but not in Kurmanji. Okay. So, for example, dom in Russian, it is house. So when you want to say big house, it will be Balshoy dom. Okay? Because it should be like the gender should be the same, but not in Kurmanji. Okay, in Kurmanji, the gender of your noun can change, feminine, masculine, plural, doesn't matter. Always the adjectives is the same. Okay. Mala Mezin, the big house. Malen Mezin, the big houses. Dereke Mezin, a big church. Bajareke Mezin, a big city. So you see, like singular mal, again, it is Mezin. Many houses, Mezin. like one church, mazin, bajar, mazin. So adjectives doesn't change. Okay, keep in mind, it's very important. And now, and this one. So today I was studying, I was checking the English grammar for adjectives, and I saw that there is there was like a small note about compound adjectives. And I thought about Kurmanji. I said, yes, we use compound adjectives too much. We create too much compound adjectives. It's because it is very easy to create an compound adjective in Kurmanji. So the rule is, the rule is mostly first noun and then adjectives, and then you create your compound adjective. For example, here, chav resh. So chav is eye and resh is black. So black-eyed. But chav resh is by itself is an adjective, okay, like black-eyed. So you can say as chavreshem, au chavresha, am chavreshen, diamond chavresha, okay. And the other one is kungran. Kungran means heavy as. Literally, it means heavy as. It means lazy. So, for example, au mereki kungrane, like he is a lazy man. Okay, he is a heavy ass man. So mostly we first put our noun, and then you put your adjective, and it gives you the compound adjective, like bejin zraf. Bejin is like waist, zraf is slim, so you can say bejin zraf, like slim waisted. Okay, the this like thin, and the dil is hard. So it's like thin-hearted, like emotional, okay? For example, ser mazin, big head, okay? Or kun mazin, like big ass, like, okay, you can use it. It's very easy just to create compound adjectives. And the next rule is, in Kurmanji, there isn't any order to apply when you have more than one adjectives, okay? So in English, we say first, I don't know, opinion, and then dimension, and then age, and then something, and then material, okay? So there is a rule, but not in Kurmanji. So just put, what do you want to say? But if you have a possessive as a modifier, so it is better to, at least in my region, and mostly people use possessive first and then other adjectives, okay? Mesela, if you want to say my hardworking older sister, you will say خوشکامن آمزن آجهاتی. So in Kurmanji, we have a different rule. So the more you have adjective, the more you put your izafe. So this خوشکامن, okay, my sister. But to say my older sister, you need to say خوشکامن آمزن, like my sister, which is big, and my sister, which is hardworking. So that's why we have many okay? خوشکامن آمزن آجهاتی آشیرین آدلال دریج, okay? And so I think for now, that's all I want to say. I said everything that I planned. And here, there's a quiz for you. So you see there are some like sentences, but they are not in right order. So you will put the words in the right order and share with me as a comment. Okay, but just be careful when you use a noun with an adjective, you need a link between these two, okay? It's called izafe, and check your izafe, and then put the words in the right order, okay? And then construct your sentence, and then build your sentence like here. So like Malek Amazon or Derek Pichuk. You see, it's not Der Pichuk. It is there a capture because we need a link between these two. Like Jilen Bahab, Bulen Sor, Ava Garm. Okay. So here, just you can stop the video and answer the questions and write as a comment, and I will check and will give you a feedback if you wish. And I will share these notes as a link with you. You will be able to download it and use it as you wish. So thank you so much. Have a nice week and stay safe, stay happy. Bye bye. Paka paka.